Hey, Fluffy from Inspire Financial here. I just wanted to say thank you for taking the time to watch the videos that we have out there and coming onto our website. So I just wanted to explain part of what we do here is we're here to help people that, you might not have the best credit, you might have had a hiccup or two in the past, maybe you're new to the country or you have no credit whatsoever. Whatever the case is, we're here to help you. So the way the process works is we need you to go through and hit apply now. It's a less than 2-minute questionnaire and it gives me all the direct information I need and I call you right away. The next step is we find the vehicle that fits within your vehicle of your dream. Now what that means is even though we're powered by Titanium Ford, I can get you whatever you want regardless of your credit. Apply now, I'm the credit specialist. I have huge personal relationships with the banks and that's why we're here to help. It's just like if you go to the restaurant, you have any allergies, maybe you're lactose intolerant, you want to let your server know right away so that you don't have any issues and you're taken care of properly. It's the same thing here. We want to make sure that you have a smooth transition, we have everything ready for you right away and you're all good. So once again, thank you for taking the time. Please click the link, apply now. Once you get that confirmation, I'll call you right away. Let's get you the vehicle of your dreams.